Hey, Paolo. Yeah, we are on set right now. Can you send over the list of all of the new plugins? And we have a lot of creativity. I'm really hoping for some. Oh, wow. That too. Okay, perfect. I'm going to tell him right now. Thanks, Paolo. Bye.
You've got options.
Hi, I'm Joe from Logitech, and welcome back to You've Got Options. Since the launch of the MX Creative Console, we've been adding new plugins and profiles to the Logi Marketplace and bringing improvements along the way. We added support for your creative apps, giving you seamless control across even more of your go-to creative tools. We've added Final Cut Pro, Figma for desktop, Adobe Lightroom, DaVinci Resolve, and Affinity Photo. Today, I'm very excited to announce the further expansion of the Logi Marketplace, and this time we're going beyond creative apps. We're bringing support for some of the most used productivity tools. We are now adding Microsoft Office apps, Slack, and Notion. The first one is the Microsoft Word plugin that empowers you to control virtually every essential editing, formatting, navigation task in Microsoft Word, using convenient shortcuts on both Mac and Windows. Effortlessly create, format, review, and manage documents with custom key commands like align text, add bullet list, text formatting actions such as bold, italic, and more. Work fast, focused, and fully in control with the Microsoft Word plugin. Second, we have the Microsoft Excel plugin that lets you navigate, edit, and organize your spreadsheets. Easily manage sheets, format data, perform calculations, and control workbook tasks with streamlined, customizable key actions that enhance your productivity. Third, the Microsoft PowerPoint plugin that enables you to streamline your presentations by managing slides, formatting content, and navigating your deck quickly. Effortlessly control key actions from creating and arranging slides to running slideshows and formatting objects, making your presentation workflow more efficient and intuitive. Fourth, we have the Slack plugin. Enhance productivity by enabling users to efficiently manage their Slack workspace directly. It provides quick access to essential Slack functions like composing messages, managing conversations, and formatting text, streamlining communication and workflow. And finally, we have the Notion for Desktop plugin that creates pages, adds lists, text, and many other blocks to your pages. Navigate and reorganize your content, format text with colors and common styles. Search data and create links between pages or services. These plugins are available in the Logi Marketplace today. And we have exciting things that we're working on, and we're collaborating with third-party developers to bring more awesome experiences for all of you. Drop us your suggestions on our MX Collective Discord. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on You've Got Options.
You've got options.